This is a front load LG washer, model number WM5500HVA, and I'm going to show you how to put it in the diagnostic mode because it's a little bit different than the majority of LG's other machines. You'll notice that if we take a look at another front load LG washer, you have more actual buttons on this one than the one we were just looking at. This one's not plugged in, but if we wanted to put it in the diagnostic mode, what we would do is we would just press and hold spin speed and soil level together at the same time, and then we would press the power button. On this machine, you can see that we have a power and a start button right here, but you can see over here that there aren't any buttons that control the spin speed and soil level. If I turn it on, you can see them light up right here. This is spin speed and this is soil level. So what you want to do is just kind of keep track where these two buttons would be. You'll power your machine off. The spin speed and the soil level are going to be right about in here. So just keep your fingers close right there. And like I said, on the other units, you would have pressed spin speed and soil level first and then the power button. With this one, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to press the power button and then we're going to press spin speed and soil level at the same time to put it in that diagnostic mode. And when you do it successfully, you'll hear it do that little ringtone, and then the screen will light up right here on the knob. And you'll see it just kind of shift back and forth between all these different numbers and letters. And once you've got it, running through the diagnostic mode is very simple. First thing you want to do is press the start button once, and it's going to light this screen up right here. We'll press it again a second time, and you're going to see the tub slowly turn. You press it a third time, and this is going to put it into a higher spin speed, and this is going to put it up to about half of what full speed is. You'll see numbers right here, and it should stop about 59 or 60. And this is going to be the RPMs, and you're going to multiply that by 10. So right now, the washer is currently spinning at 590 RPMs. Press it one more time, and it's going to take it to full spin, which is going to put it up around 1200 RPMs. We'll press the start button one more time, and that's going to slow down the machine. It's going to stop spinning, and this is where it would start putting water into the machine. I don't currently have it hooked up to any water, so we're not going to be able to hear the water coming in, but when we pressed that button, what we did was we signaled for water to start coming through one of these solenoids right here, and it usually starts with this one. And then if you press the start button again, it would cycle to the next solenoid. The third time that you press it, it's going to go to the hot, and then if you press it one more time, it's going to go to this solenoid over here, and that's going to allow you to successfully cycle through each one of those so that you can check and make sure that water is coming through and that there aren't any leaks anywhere. The next time that we press it, you're going to see your drum light light up, and then it's going to go back to spinning slowly. We'll press it one more time, and that's going to check this line right here, which allows water to come through the dispenser, down this hose, and to shoot out the top of your boot seal into your tub. Press it again, and that's going to be the drain test cycle to make sure that your machine is pumping the water out correctly. So that's going to be the last function that your machine is checking for on that diagnostic mode. When you press it again, it'll give you this NF code, which basically indicates the end of the diagnostic cycle. And from there, you can go ahead and just power your machine off.